Hello everyone, and welcome to another video of this workshop called Database on Cedar. On this session, we'll be talking about an overview of MySQL on Cedar and how it works. So let's get started. To be able to use MySQL Server, the MySQL ID has to be set up for you on the Cedar-MySQL-VM server. As you have your MySQL ID set up on the server, you should be able to log in into MySQL on Cedar. The MySQL ID will match exactly with your Compute Canada ID, but the password will be a different one. Your Compute Canada account password won't be the same as your MySQL password for Cedar. So the MySQL ID will have privileges that allow you to create and administer your own MySQL database on Cedar. As you get your MySQL ID, you're gonna also get privileges on creating databases, and you'll be able to create database yourself. To request access to the Cedar MySQL server, please send a request to support@computecanada.ca with the following information: your Compute Canada username and the amount of database space needed for your project. So, in order to access the MySQL server on Cedar, we'll set up a configuration file called .my.cnf, and that file allows you to access Cedar database without the password. This file will contain your password, and this file has to be owned by the root user, and this will be a read-only file for your user. So that way you can access the MySQL database without the need of providing a password for that. So as we mentioned, the MySQL flavor used on Cedar, it's called MariaDB. They are both quite close, but they have small difference. So if you needed to know some additional information for the database on Cedar, we advise you to look at www.mariadb.com, where you're going to find a huge knowledge base that should provide answer for some of your more advanced questions or questions we may not be able to answer here. So some of the recent new features that are offered now in the MariaDB flavor of MySQL are the new JSON functions that allow us to work with data in the JSON format. So now MariaDB also has support for JSON, which is quite nice because quite often we require to work with semi-structured data sets on JSON format. A lot of social media data sets would also include this format, and that makes it quite convenient. MariaDB has also introduced support for Materialized View. So Flex Views is a Materialized View implementation for MariaDB. Materialized View is similar to regular view, except that the results are stored in an actual database table, not a virtual one, and the result set is effectively cached for a period of time. When the underlying data changes, the view becomes stale. Because of this, the materialized views must be frequently refreshed to bring them up to date. This is a very cool resource that MariaDB has brought up on this new version. If you require so, you should take advantage of that. Okay, this is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you in the next video. Bye.